So let's be honest here for a second. Well, actually, we should be honest all the time. But are you tired of being a digital nobody? Do you feel like your online presence is a big old zero? Well, fear not, my friend, because today I've got the solution for you. It's time to create a blog. In this video today, we are going to explore why you should stop procrastinating and start creating your blog today. And hey, I promise to throw in some humor too, so grab your popcorn and let's get started. And yes, I am talking out of my vase because I'm currently located somewhere where you can't just click a few buttons and Amazon just deliver stuff to your door, friend. So we will have to deal with this for now. So first things first. A blog is like a megaphone for your ideas. You know those thoughts that keep swirling around your head but you don't have an outlet to share them? Well, a blog is a perfect platform to let them all out. Not only can you showcase your creativity, but you also can connect with people who share the same interests. Secondly, a blog is like a superhero cape for your digital presence. Starting this year, it's just not enough anymore to just exist online. You need to make sure that you stand out from the crowd. And what better way to do that than with a kick-ass blog? So your blog really serves as a digital portfolio, showcasing all your skills and expertise to potential clients or employees. Kind of like saying, hey, I know my stuff and I'm not afraid to show it off. Thirdly, a blog is like a bootcamp for your writing skills. Writing is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it really gets. And what better way to get that writing muscle pumping than by blogging? Not only can you experiment with different writing styles, but you will also receive feedback from your readers to help you improve. Being able to articulate your thoughts and ideas clearly is a superpower that will come in handy in all areas of your life. Fourthly, a blog is like a hot cup of coffee with your bestie. Especially this year, we are all craving connection more than ever. And what better way really to connect with like-minded people by sharing your thoughts, opinions, and perspectives on your blog. Plus, you will build a community of loyal readers who come back to you as the #1 resource and trust you with your advice. It's like having a bunch of cheerleaders on the side, and who doesn't need that in life? Reason number 5, AI is like a weapon for your blog. Yes, I said it, AI can be your friend and not your foe. With AI-powered writing tools, you can save so much time and energy whilst still maintaining your style and your tone of voice. So don't be afraid of the AI revolution and use it to your advantage. And here, the best news of the week, we have integrated a new feature into our all-in-one marketing platform, into our all-in-one CRM called Content AI, which will help you to speed up your content creation game. It's able to assist you creating epic emails, copy for the landing pages, your funnels, your websites, even your social media posts, and yes, even blog posts for your website. Let me show you how quickly. So this is the backend, this is the page builder to create a blog post, for example. So here we have a blog post, and in the top right, you can see the little icon which says Content AI. So we would just click on that. And here the little pop-up comes up, which says what type do you want to create? Oh, let's say I just want to create an outline for my blog. You can also select introduction or section. So let's create outline for now, because that's typically where everyone starts. The content title should be
why people should create a blog, right?
Provide a brief content description. Okay, so 1 to 2 sentences. You can even add keywords. So doing keyword research and all of that is a whole different game, but you can do that. Let's say how to create a blog is a keyword, right? And then the writing tone, you can even select the writing tone, being funny, casual, excited, professional, witty, and so on and so forth, right? And then the number of variations. So let's keep it at 3. And let's see what comes out. Okay, awesome. Now here's the results. Content AI has created 3 different content variations like we requested here. If you want to try out this feature, get your free trial, click the link in the description below, and replace 18 different apps on the internet by testing out our CRM today. Replace all your other subscriptions out there, like any funnel builder, website builder, email, SMS, marketing, Calendly. All of these platforms are going to be replaced by our CRM. So click the link in the description below and see for yourself. And the best part, actually, it's also cheaper than Jasper AI. Jasper is a very popular content AI writing tool. However, it is pretty expensive. So with content AI, you only pay what you use, and breaking it down to the cost per word, it's a lot cheaper than Jasper AI. Let's move on. Reason number 6 why you should create a blog today. It increases SEO, search engine optimization, and drives traffic back to your website. So if your website was a Tinder profile, you would want to make sure it's swiped right by the search engines. A well-written blog can improve your rankings and therefore makes you more attractive to Google and other search engines. It's like putting on a fancy suit and a dab of cologne to make yourself more attractive to your potential dates. To increase your chances of traffic from the search engines, make sure you use keywords throughout your blog posts. This means using them in the titles, headlines, subtitles, and even in the body of your article. So make sure your website is putting its best foot forward, because your target audience is likely searching for products and services like yours. And bonus tip, organic traffic. So blog posts are organic traffic because people are looking for you and you are not interrupting them on platforms like Facebook or Instagram where they're scrolling mindlessly. So the quality of traffic you are getting through blog posts is a lot better as well. Reason number 7 why you should create a blog today. A blog can convert traffic into leads. Blogging helps your website to be more than just a place for people to visit. It gives the visitor the opportunity to interact with your business in a way that it's not possible with any other form of content on your website. For example, if you blog about an important industry event and you share this on Facebook or Twitter, you can expect a boost of new email signups which came through your website. Reason number 8 why you should create a blog today. Blogs will help you to become an authority. Blogs are a great addition to your website because they give you the opportunity to create high quality, authoritative content on a regular basis. By consistently publishing informative and well-researched articles, you can establish yourself as the expert in your field, earning the trust and respect from your audience. As you become known for the authority in your space, you'll be more likely to attract inbound leads from other authoritative websites, which can further improve your reputation and improve search engine rankings. Reason number 9, and this is one of my favorites, you can repurpose your blog content for social media. This is one of the best ways to get more mileage out of your blog post by repurposing that content for your social media accounts. By sharing your blog posts or maybe even just snippets from your blog posts on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and so on and so forth, you will increase the number of visitors which are coming from those external platforms onto your website. However, it's important to use the right kind of content for each platform. Reason number 10 why you should create a blog today. Blogging helps with link building. And I will have one more bonus tip at the very end. So you can think of your blog like a wingman that's always got your back.
Nice.
By writing consistently on your blog, you can link back to your website, which will help to increase the authority in the online space of your domain. It's like having a trusty sidekick that will help you to level up and take over the world.
Damn!
You can use Google Analytics to track your website traffic, just like you use your Fitbit to track your steps. This will give you an idea what kind of traffic is coming in from where. So you can decide whether or not it makes sense to invest money into paid advertising, or if you should stick to making more witty blogs. And last bonus tip, tip number 11. There are so many different ways how you can monetize a blog. If you do not have your own products or services, you can always get into affiliate marketing and drive traffic back to other people's sites. So you are out of the delivery and product creation and you're just creating traffic and sharing traffic with other products and service providers. By incorporating affiliate links in your blogs or social media content, you will receive a commission for every single sale made. Just be sure to disclose that it's an affiliate link to your audience to stay ethical and transparent. By the way, we also do have an affiliate program for our all-in-one CRM. Click the link in the description below, check it out. Again, it's an all-in-one marketing platform which replaces all your other subscriptions out there. So if you're an affiliate and you would like to promote this tool, reach out on social media to me or send me an email and we go from there. And if you have not subscribed just yet, hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell, because in the next few weeks, I will be sharing many more tips and tricks on how to create a profitable blog. See you then.